Hello and welcome to my channel Terminator X77. Today I'm going to unbox Realme Buds Air 2 iconic cover. So here we go. No attachment with the bottom part like we had in Realme Buds Air iconic cover. Hmm, it's a cat. Yeah, and it will cover more area when you keep it in your pocket. A bit cartoonish. Yep, it is. Here's the Buds Air 2. Here goes the bottom part, and here's the cap. So here it is. Looking quite good. Bought it for 399 rupees. Costly, yes. Quality seems to be good, not like in the local market, stick with a glue that can come off like at any time. I think that is good. Quite easy to open it, and the sweet sound. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.